Today, let's learn about simple interest. Before starting simple interest, let me explain about interest. When you deposit some amount to the bank or borrow some money from the bank, there comes the word interest. When you deposit the amount for a certain period of time, you will get some extra amount for your deposit. In the same way, when you borrow the money from the bank, you have to pay an additional amount to the bank. This additional amount is called interest. There are two types of interest: simple interest and compound interest. Here we are going to learn about simple interest. Before starting, let's learn some words related to interest. I'll explain the terms using a situation. Mr. Sharma, he is having some amount in his hand. He is going to deposit that much of amount to a bank, ABC Bank. So, Mr. Sharma is the depositor. He deposited the amount in the bank. The amount he deposited in the bank, it is called the principal amount. It is the amount we are starting with. After a particular period of time, Sharma needs the amount back, or the bank is giving back the amount to Mr. Sharma. When the bank giving back the amount, they will include some extra money. That money is called interest. And the total amount paid back by the bank is called amount. So, amount means it is the amount paid back by the bank to Mr. Sharma. Amount is equal to principal plus the extra amount or the interest. So, the returned money is amount. It is equal to principal amount plus interest. We can define all these terms. Principal means the money borrowed, lent or invested. It is called the principal. Then the term interest, the additional money paid by the borrower to the money lender. It is called interest. Then what is amount? Amount is the total money paid by the borrower to the money lender. It is called amount. Amount is the sum of principal and the extra amount interest. So, we can find amount using the formula amount is equal to principal plus interest. Let us move to the next topic, simple interest. We mentioned that the two types of interest are there. One is simple interest and the other is compound interest. Then what is simple interest? As the name suggests, we are calculating the interest in a direct way, or we are calculating amount for a fixed period of time. It is called simple interest. We can define simple interest like it is the interest calculated on the original money. It is the principal, right? At the given rate of interest for any given time. Rate of interest. We will discuss what is rate of interest. So simple interest means it is calculated on a particular period of time. If the money is deposited for 3 years, we will directly calculate the simple interest for 3 years. So time period means the time for which the money is kept in the bank or for which the loan has been borrowed. It is called as time period. Okay. Then rate means it is the interest paid on rupees 100 for 1 year, which means that the amount which is given to rupees 100. Say if there is 1000 rupees as the principal, we have to pay how many hundreds are in 1000? Yeah, 10 hundreds are in 1000. So we have to pay that much of rupees for 1 year. Usually the rate of interest is calculated for 1 year. If in the question it is given for 3 months, 6 months or 9 months, etc., we have to convert the month into year. Yes. Then let us see how can we convert month into year. We know that 1 year equal to 12 month, right? Yeah. 1 year equal to 12 month or 12 month is equal to 1 year. Then how can I represent 1 month? How much is 1 month based on 1 year? Yes. 1 month means 1 by 12 of the year. Then 3 month means 1 by, not 1 by 12, 3 by 12 of the year, or you can write it as 1 by 4 year. In the same way, 6 months means it is 6 by 12 of the year. It is 1 by 2 in the simplest form. 9 months in the same way, 9 by 12 of the year. It is 3 by 4 of the year. So in the question, if it is given as, the time taken is given as months, you have to calculate or you have to find the corresponding year. Let us do some problems related to simple interest. Find the simple interest when the principal rupees 600, the rate 2% per annum. What is per annum? Yeah, 2% per year. Per year or annually. And the time is 2 years. So we need to find the simple interest. We have the formula for simple interest. Did you remember the formula? What is that formula for simple interest? It is PRT by 100. You can write instead of PRT by 100, PRT itself, because 100 means this 2% rate. We will write it as 2 by 100. This 100 is included in the formula. But remember about this 100. So we are calculating simple interest. What is the principal given? It is 600 and the rate is 2. The time taken is 2 years by 100. We can cancel the 0. 6 times 4, it is rupees 24. So what is the meaning? The simple interest for the principal of rupees 600 is rupees 24. Next problem. Find the principal when the simple interest equal to rupees 72, the rate 3% per annum and the time is given as 3 months. So we have to change the time taken 3 months into year. How can we change? For 1 month it is 1 by 12 year, 3 months it is 3 by 12 year. 3 by 12 year means it is 1 by 4 year. So we have the formula simple interest equal to PRT by 100. Let us substitute the given things here. Simple interest is 72. Principals we need to find. The rate is given as 3. and the time taken is 1 by 4. Don't forget about the 100 in the denominator. So let us calculate. 72 into 100 into 4 is equal to P into 3, or the principal is equal to 72 into 100 into 4 by 3. We can cancel between 72 and 3 and it is 24. When you multiply, you will get the principal as 9600. So the principal amount is 9600. Let's do another problem. Here we need to find the rate, and the principal, simple interest and time taken is given. The time taken is given here also in months. So let us calculate like time taken is 16 months or 16 by 12 year, or it is equal to 4 by 3 year. Using our formula, simple interest equal to PRT by 100. Simple interest 168. The principal is 700. The rate we need to find. Time taken is 4 by 3, and here comes 100 in the denominator. Let us cancel the zeros. Then 168 into 3 is equal to 7 into R into 4, or the rate R is equal to 168 into 3 by 7 times 4. You can cancel between 4 and 168. It is 42. Again 42 divided by 7, it is 6. So 6 into 3, it is 18. So 18% is the rate. Thank you, dear students.